No, it's not Halloween. I just busted out the Halloween candles because the power went out. I'm so glad I kept a few of these around. Yeah, it's hard to believe. Here we are, mid-March, power's out. Winter storm has been battering the area for the last couple days. Yeah, a little bit of a break right now, but it's expected to continue throughout the course of the night. But some decent snow. Turn the light on so you can see some of the snow here. There we go. It's really cold out, but picked up got some good footage earlier of the snowstorm, and if you haven't checked out that video, go ahead and do so. It is my latest upload